Hi. My dryer won't start. The power went out yesterday and I reset the fuse box, but it still won't start. The washer works fine. Any ideas on what I need to do?
Hi, my name isXXXXX will be assisting you with this problem. Please allow me some time to do research and type a response to each of your posts. Can you give me the model number from the sticker inside the door, please? Should look like this: 110.1234567.
110.694222901.
The number supplied is not coming up on my system. Is the lint filter located in the top or inside the door?
I'm sorry. I just rechecked the model number. It is 110.694222801, not 901.
Okay, your problem here is going to be a blown thermal fuse. Pull the unit out from the wall, take the vent and the panel off in the rear, unplug the machine. Once the rear panel is off, look down and to your left, you should see the thermal fuse. Pull the wires off, then tape them together. Then try starting the machine. If, as I suspect, the machine starts, you have found the problem. Don't use the machine until the part is replaced, since this is a safety device. Please feel free to come back after rating me OK service or above, or for any additional questions or assistance that may be needed. Thanks. Mike.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.